Also, it has a
this
patented
part's great.
kinemat tilt, mimics the body's... Yeah, it does that too. Welcome back to Choose Your Favorite, the show in which we choose our favorite products. This week we are looking at, guess what?
Office chairs?
Office chairs, that's right. But before I get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can tell us your favorite in the comments below. Tell us where you're from and tell us why you care so much about office chairs. Brendan.
Well, I'm Brendan. I'm from Belmont, New Jersey. And I'm really passionate about office chairs because, we spend the majority of our time sitting down.
You want a
very passionate
big,
about
comfortable fanny cushion
You
underneath.
have like
so you can
a
work on.
romantic relationship with this
We
chair.
really-
I mean, you're
I do.
tight with your chair.
Exactly.
You're not quite as passionate, are you?
I thought I was passionate about office chairs until I just learned how much you love your office chair. I mean, I've just done a lot of office build-outs, so I've done a lot of office chair research, and I have feelings about them.
All right, here's the first one. This is the Sportin swivel chair from your favorite IKEA. It is height adjustable here. You can try it.
Might be height adjustable.
And really, there's not much more to say about it. It's very simple. It swivels, it adjusts. It has a nice metal frame with an upholstered seat and back.
Okay, Brendan,
So
you try.
is this chair, does that chair work for you? Do you like that chair?
I have some thoughts about it.
Tell us.
Well, I feel like I want to let
You're
him
gonna let
have
him
his
have a
experience unadulterated by my
Okay.
I'm
thoughts.
enjoying this chair.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you try
Feels
the
like home to
the
you?
up and
Yeah.
down?
So, but speak specifically. What's good and what's bad?
I really like there's a lot of chairs that go too high on your back. This is like a nice lower back chair. It's adjustable. It doesn't have arms.
Yeah, what do you think about that?
Sometimes I need the arms.
You like arms?
Yeah, I need if I have my elbow down or anything. If I really have serious, if I'm holding something.
I think design-wise, it's really beautiful. It's really simple. And if a home office is something that's just sort of taking up a little section of my home, I don't want it to overpower anything. This is such a sleek chair.
Number 2.
Ooh.
You recognize this bad boy.
I know this chair.
This is the Herman from Herman Miller. Posture Fit properly supports the base of her spine to help her pelvis maintain a natural forward tilt, thus keeping your spine fully aligned. Also,
Ooh,
it has a
this
patented
part's great.
kinemat tilt, mimics the body's... Yeah, it does that too. There you go. So it catches, you adjust this, sit on that now and see if that catches you right in your back.
Whoa. I definitely feel support in my lumbar.
Yep, then this goes...
Yeah, I love these adjustable
Down.
things, and sometimes I like to put one really low
Oh, yeah.
and one high, and look at things like this.
That's interesting.
You know? It also has a very good rolling ability.
Brendan, would you like to
Sure.
move in?
Absolutely.
Yeah. It conforms to each person who sits in this chair and distributes weight evenly.
It's a nice chair. When I think of nice office chair, this is what I'm pitching in. This is what I'm envisioning.
So you can sit in this chair all day long, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm very much enjoy it.
Now, this is the third one. You may be surprised to learn that this is also IKEA. And this one is the Hotif swivel chair. It comes in 3 colors. This is the gray.
Ooh, this has a good spinning.
It has a tilt mechanism, and you should just play around with it. It automatically adjusts to let you lean back safely. The seat and the backrest are adjustable in height. Seat depth can be adjusted.
Okay.
And the chair has built-in lumbar support.
Okay.
So it comes in tighter or it goes away further.
That's
Technology we have
interesting.
nowadays.
This is not as comfortable as the second chair that we looked at.
The Aeron.
The Aeron. But it's not uncomfortable. I like the armrests. I find it to be more comfortable than our first chair.
Brendan, show us what you can do. Drive this chair around.
Drive the chair. He is such a professional chair sitter.
So what do you think about that chair?
It's nice. I'd have to agree. I would definitely, have it in an office if I was just sitting there for maybe an hour or two doing work. I don't know if I can spend 8 hours in this chair.
Could you spend more hours in this one than the first one, though?
I'd say yes, just because it has the arms.
Armrest.
And it has the, nice lumbar support.
Guess the price of the first one.
$49, $52. $2.
I think she knows the price because she's
$2.
shopped IKEA.
I
She lives in
have
IKEA.
built a lot of offices.
Brendan, what do you think? Do you agree with her?
Yeah, I was gonna say somewhere between like 50 and 100. Definitely nothing more than 100.
$4,000. No, actually, they're absolutely right. $49. All right, let's go to Herman over here. Herman in the middle. Everybody likes Herman. What do you think? This is important.
If you're buying
Price is
this
important.
retail, this chair is like 800 something. If you go on one of those discount sites, you can get it for $650.
You know the price
That's
as
a
well.
fact.
Everybody knows the price of chairs. It's amazing. So, Brendan, what do you
I was
think?
gonna say like 199. I had no clue.
Oh no, it's like an
159?
No, like 199.
199. $939. All right, what do you think about IKEA number 2?
I would say 249, around 250 maybe.
$250. Yeah.
Wow. 2.
219.
19.
Nailed
Wow,
it.
everybody.
Woo.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh!
Whoa! You're a baller.
I'm all
You're
by
like
myself.
1 hour a day, 30 minutes.
There it is, everybody. That is it for this week. For that, what's your favorite, or who's your favorite, or choose your favorite, or how do you spell favorite? And you can tell us your favorite by putting it in the comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next week when we review cigars. No, we're not going to review cigars. We don't ever review cigars, but we'll review something else. See you next week. Goodbye.